Good morning everyone, I'm MAñALAC and I'm here today to present the product called Parkbot. Our product is an RFID sticker that is placed on the car's windshield that serves as a type of keycard to enter a parking lot. The inspiration to this product is to address the risk of one of the common tasks that we do that is on a paid parking lot. Entering these areas, we are needed to either interact with the person in charge on the Parkbot or feed money to the machine, which is a risk on our current situation on which we need the least amount of interaction as much as possible. This product is designed to go into this procedure by just scanning your car. It will work like automatic doors on malls on which if they detect you, it will open, but it is designed for cars. So how does it work? It starts on detecting the RFID that is in your car, and the reader then analyzes on whom owns the data detected, then it will send it to the machine's computer for it to send the fine for parking. This will be a cashless payment on which the fine will be deducted on the accounts that is connected to the RFID. The following are the possible accounts on which they can connect it to their RFID: PayPal, GCash, and PayMaya. Next is the breakdown of our profit per piece of the RFID that we sell. It was computed per piece of RFID to have a profit of 50 pesos. The next slide is about the estimation on our company's worth. We are planning on choosing Manila for our target market. And according to the research, there are 12,725,305 cars registered on Manila. By doing the percentage computation, we estimated it on what will be the worth of our company. The computed worth of the company is 280 million pesos. And so, in exchange for the ownership of 10% in our company, we would like to have 38 million pesos for the investment.